YouTube, this is Seedy Gardens, and I am at the greenhouse. I told you I was here every Thursday, so I'm trying to give you a general overview. This one is about 50 foot long by 20 feet wide. Those tanks are our solar-powered water catchment system, and this is how we water in here. And I'm sitting at our water table, as you can see, is, oh gosh, 40 feet long and at least 3-4 feet wide. And what I'm doing today is what Seedy's planting today are Bloomsdale long standing spinach. And we have planted a couple of beds of these, about 5 beds, and a deer got in and ate everything, so I'm replanting. These are 72 cell packs. And these are plastic, yes, unfortunately, but we reuse them every single year until there's cell failure in 50% of the cells. And these little ones up here, the round ones, I'm going to borrow and try and pack my beets in cells this year and see if I get better production, because I've heard alternative small holdings say she gets better production, and Gary here at the garden says he gets better production as well. So I'm going to try and plant. I have 7 on the table. I'm going to plant a total of 12 cells of Bloomsdale long standing spinach, and as you can see, I've got 2 cell seeds in some cells. Some seeds are a little small and they get away from me, and there's a few more, and that's okay, because did you know, I've learned from, I think it was Kelly Kim, who says for every 2 pounds of greens you cook down, if you cook them, you only get 1 pound. So extra won't hurt with spinach, because it's so good for you, whether you're using it raw in a juice, raw in a salad, or cooked. So I just wanted to share that with you, a quickie video, and I will talk to you guys again later. See you soon. Bye-bye. Happy gardening, blessed, bountiful harvest, and let's grow some stuff in 2019, guys. Goodbye.